Katie, what are you watching?
She's watching Jungle Junction.
Jungle Junction.
Gracie, do you have a dress on?
My blanket.
Your
what,
blanket dress? And what's this? How does it hold together?
With a chip clip.
Oh, who taught you how to use a chip clip?
Grandpa.
Grandpa did. What else does Grandpa say?
Bear my face.
Bare my face. Is Grandpa silly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. She say Gucci, Gucci, Gucci.
She says Gucci Gucci Goo.
Gucci poo. What's that noise?
I don't know.
Mommy, I want to watch this one. Please.
Can you bounce the ball for Katie, Gracie, so it can make noise?
I need to bounce.
Hey, Katie, give it to Gracie. Give it to Gracie.